2025 is set to be a game-changer for car enthusiasts. The perfect blend of futuristic designs, sustainable technology, and nostalgic Restomod projects are all coming together to redefine the automotive landscape. From supercars pushing the boundaries of speed to Restomods resurrecting classic favorites with modern twists, here are the top 10 cars and projects that will dominate the roads and tracks in 2025. McLaren 750S, blazing speed with everyday drivability. The McLaren 750S, slated for release in 2025, is a direct successor to the much-loved 720S and promises to take supercar enthusiasts to new heights. Under the hood, a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine roars, delivering between 740 and 750 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a lightning-fast 2.5 seconds. The 750S also benefits from cutting-edge aerodynamics, using active spoilers and airflow management systems that adjust automatically depending on speed and road conditions. Not only does this supercar focus on raw performance, but it also enhances drivability for daily use, a rare feat for cars of this caliber. With innovations in lightweight materials, including extensive use of carbon fiber, McLaren ensures that the 750S weighs as little as possible while maintaining incredible structural rigidity. The result? A top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour, alongside road manners sophisticated enough for comfortable cruising around town. With a price tag starting north of $300,000, this is a supercar for those who want to blend extreme performance with everyday usability. Number 8. Porsche 911 ST, the perfect throwback. The Porsche 911 ST is a special edition release for 2025 that serves as a bridge between the past and present, offering enthusiasts a throwback to the days of manual, naturally aspirated driving. At its heart is a 4.0-liter flat-six engine, pumping out an impressive 518 horsepower while maintaining the classic Porsche sound that purists crave. With an exterior that harks back to Porsche's motorsport heritage, the ST offers an old-school feel with modern underpinnings, including lightweight materials and improved chassis dynamics. The vehicle's focus is on providing a purist driving experience. There's no fancy hybrid assistance or complex driving modes here, just raw, unfiltered connection between car and driver. Porsche has gone the extra mile to keep the weight low, using magnesium and carbon fiber in strategic places to enhance agility and performance. And though it embraces a minimalist approach, it still features cutting-edge safety systems to protect those who push it to its limits. With production numbers limited and prices skyrocketing, the 911 ST is a rare gem for collectors and die-hard Porsche enthusiasts alike. Lamborghini Revolto, electrifying performance. Lamborghini's 2025 Revolto is a hybrid masterpiece, fusing Lamborghini's iconic V12 engine with electric innovation. With a total output of over 1,000 horsepower from the V12 and 3 electric motors, this supercar rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. What sets the Revolto apart is that it doesn't sacrifice the visceral experience for sustainability. The electric motors enhance rather than detract from the raw fury Lamborghini is known for. The all-wheel drive system distributes power evenly for jaw-dropping traction, especially when cornering at high speeds. Despite the move toward hybrid technology, Lamborghini has ensured that the Revolto maintains its signature engine roar, thanks to sound amplification tech integrated with the electric motor system. The Revolto also offers a fully electric driving mode, allowing for silent, emission-free cruising when desired. Inside, the cockpit is as futuristic as the drivetrain, with state-of-the-art displays and luxurious leather-clad seats, providing both high-tech functionality and Lamborghini's signature opulence. Starting at around $500,000, it represents the cutting edge of automotive technology while staying true to its high-performance heritage. Aston Martin Valhalla, hybrid power meets luxury. The Aston Martin Valhalla is a hybrid hypercar set to hit the market in 2025, aiming to combine ultimate luxury with high-octane performance. Powered by a combination of a twin-turbocharged V8 engine and an electric motor, the Valhalla produces over 900 horsepower, sending it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Aston Martin has designed the Valhalla to be a more accessible alternative to the Valkyrie, their previous flagship hypercar, without sacrificing any of the adrenaline-pumping excitement. The Valhalla's lightweight chassis, composed of carbon fiber, ensures a nimble driving experience, while its active aerodynamics and sophisticated suspension systems adapt to any driving condition. What sets this car apart is its ability to shift seamlessly between electric and gasoline power, offering an eco-friendly solution without compromising on performance. Priced over $1 million, the Valhalla is an exclusive offering for a select few, blending Aston Martin's motorsport pedigree with the brand's unmistakable elegance. Inside, the cabin boasts premium materials and advanced infotainment systems, making it not only a technological marvel, but a rolling luxury suite. Chevrolet Corvette Z06. American muscle goes to finishing school. The Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in 2025 will redefine the boundaries of American muscle. Unlike older models, which focused heavily on brute force, this iteration of the Z06 combines raw power with the finesse and precision typically associated with European supercars. At the heart of the Corvette Z06 is a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 engine, producing 670 horsepower. What sets this Corvette apart is its ability to handle corners and straights with equal prowess. Thanks to its advanced suspension setup, aerodynamic refinements, and weight distribution improvements, Chevrolet's engineers have focused on delivering a balanced driving experience that's as comfortable on a racetrack as it is on the open road. The Z06 is a testament to the evolution of the Corvette, transforming it from a traditional muscle car into a refined performance machine. Singer Dynamic Lightweight Study, the king of Restomods. When it comes to Restomods, Singer's Dynamic Lightweight Study project is regarded as the pinnacle of craftsmanship and engineering. Taking the iconic Porsche 911 and rebuilding it with modern materials and performance upgrades, Singer has created a car that is both a tribute to the past and a marvel of modern automotive technology. The Dynamic Lightweight Study focuses on weight reduction through the use of carbon fiber, magnesium, and other lightweight materials, bringing the car's total weight down significantly while preserving the air-cooled engine. Producing over 500 horsepower, the Dynamic Lightweight Study offers performance on par with modern supercars, all while retaining the character and charm of the classic 911. With a price tag nearing $1 million, the Singer Dynamic Lightweight Study is not just a car, it's a rolling work of art. Each model is custom built to the owner's specifications, making it as unique as it is powerful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button or your Wi-Fi might mysteriously stop working. Don't forget to subscribe because who doesn't need more random facts in their life? See you next time, where we'll probably solve world hunger or just talk about more cool stuff.